You might want to show something in person, but it's inconvenient to use your webcam on your laptop. For example, perhaps you want to show formulaic notations or musical notations on a piece of paper, but that's okay because you have multiple devices at your disposal. In addition to your laptop or desktop, you have your phone device, probably, on which you can run Zoom. So here we go. Ready? If you go up to the top here, the little eye icon will show you your meeting ID and your password. If I then come here and in Zoom, join a new meeting, I can enter in that meeting ID. So 841 143 665. And I can hit join meeting. And then it's going to ask me for a password. 406 307. And now I'm being offered to join with my video. It's important that maybe you turn down your volume here because you have two devices streaming in the same room at the same time. You can get some echo, some feedback from there. So I might suggest you join without your audio or turn down your audio as much as possible. So I'm going to hit join with video. And you can see that it's joining me right here with my front-facing camera. You might want to switch to your rear-facing camera so that you can see what's going on here and display. I plan on using this in my worship technology class to show the backside of a soundboard, perhaps, or to travel around the chapel space to talk about it with my students. But here you could combine this with a box and a heavy book and your piece of paper that you need to notate on. So I'm just going to put this and under the book, and here I can notate something. For example, here's a drawing of a house. Bum 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 bum. And there we go. It's not the prettiest notation in the world, but it's a functional notation. And in a time such as this, I think that works.